I came here to connect, so to connect with myself ultimately. The retreat, I don't have any words to explain how out of this world and incredible it was. I didn't expect that I would meet myself so deeply as what I did. It was incredible. It was mindfully put together. The water priest was mind-blowing. The way that he took us through every level he took us through all the chakras, he took us through all of the elements, he took us through all of that. If we did that every morning, I would be invincible. So that, as the first step, stepped me straight into the magic. The waterfall yesterday, I felt like I was in the presence of angels. I felt the infinite love of the universe coming down through my head, through my whole being. I felt like everything shed. Yeah. I felt like that a lot of times. A lot of moments where I just went into euphoria. I'm reminded that I am love, that I am all, and that I am connected to everything. It's remembering of the power of myself, my strengths. I think everyone should come because the facilitators are amazing. The experience is indescribable. It's completely beyond my expectations of what I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be just a cruisy, medium, so I thought, yep, mindfulness, I'm going to find parts of myself that I've forgotten about. It's going to reignite things inside of me. But it did that in the first 10 minutes. And then it was just soaring from there. It was one thing after another after another. There was no mediocre about it. It was beyond any idea that I thought it could be. Yeah, I love your teachings. They're easy to understand. You put them into a system where everyone can understand them. Michelle's yoga, her instruction is perfect. She's so present. She's so humble. She's so peaceful. It's beautiful. Chris's music is magical, stunning. My biggest thing was that I felt safe. That was the biggest thing. I always need to feel safe and I always need to feel secure, and everyone did that. If I didn't feel judged. I knew that because I've been doing all that work with you, because I've done your breathwork sessions, I've watched your journey, and then I go into your mentorship program. I felt safe. I thought, this guy knows what he's talking about, So yeah, I feel safe.